TV9 Education Expo 2025, your one-stop destination for all the issues or doubts that you have with regards to your career. If you have finished your 10th standard, 12th standard and you are unsure of what you want to do after that, then this is the place you have to come. 82 universities from all across the country and state are present here. You have Garden City, you have KL universities, Dayanand Sagar universities, Reva University, you name it and they are present here and they are here to clear all your doubts. If you don't know, you are unsure what do you want to do after 10th standard, then this is the place you'll have to go. Let us speak to these institutions and see what they have to offer. We have ICFI, the Foundation of Higher Education. Ma'am, what is it that you're offering to the students here?
Sir, like ICFI has started from 1956 itself. So here we have UG and PG, both the programs. In UG we have BTech, BBA, Law, BSc and all. We have integrated law programs where, very few colleges gives this. So here we have 100% of placement opportunities. Even through the college itself, students will be getting the internship program also.
And you also need to know that ICFI is a deemed to be university, so it's
NAC A++.
So NAC A++. So all you have to do is come here. And what do you have to say about the expo? How do you think it's a good opportunity for students?
Yeah, here a lot of colleges are coming here, and even more than 2,000 plus students are coming here already. So students going in search of the colleges by road. Here in like under one roof, they are almost meeting 80 plus colleges, right, sir? Yeah, so this is a wonderful opportunity for the students.
Alright, great. So as you heard, this is a wonderful opportunity for all you guys. If you are still not sure what you have to do, you just have to come to the TV9 Expo. And if you are worried it's hot outside, then you don't have to worry because this entire expo is air conditioned. So you will not have to worry. All you have to do is come here. I also have KL University over here and I'm joined in by the representative. Sir, Mr. Srinivas over here. Sir, what is it that you're offering to the students here?
See, if any student gets above 97% in JEEE, they get 100% scholarship. And then we have 100% placements. The average minimum package is around 8.1 lakhs. The highest package is around 58 lakhs.
So this is all your records that you're telling us?
Yeah, that's what.
Alright.
So we make sure that all the students get placed from KL University.
And what do you think about this entire expo? Because under one roof you have so many universities. So what should those students who are sitting at home and watching, what would you tell them?
Students who are watching, I would rather suggest you can come directly because you'll get a hands-on experience. You can go to different stalls. You get to know about the colleges and universities, and get to know the kind of the education they give, and you'll also get to know the placements that is offered in the universities.
Alright, thank you, Mr. Srinivas. So all you heard, under one roof you have 82 universities offering you everything from PG to UG, be it any stream that you want, be it science, arts, commerce, everything is over here. All you have to do is come here. We also have Reva University who's come here and I'll try to speak to ma'am and get an idea of what is Reva University offering to the students who are watching.
Yeah, Reva University is unique and we are offering all the BTech courses, technical courses and non-technical courses, and we are having a great exposure for all the type of placements, cultural activities, technical activities and project exhibition. Anytime you can pitch into the university and see the availability and facilities what we are providing to the students. And it is a great platform for the students to explore their talents and showcase their talents in front of the university.
So those students who are watching on TV and contemplating, "Main aau ya nahi aau," what would you tell them, ma'am?
It is a great opportunity to see n number of universities participating in the education expos, and it is a great opportunity to all the PU students what is offered in which university and which university is better. You can compare everything, come out of your houses and attend the expos.
Honestly speaking, if you're watching, you should come here because when we were studying, we didn't have these expos. So for you, this is an opportunity. TV9 is giving you an opportunity to come explore 82 universities. You have Reva, you have KL, you have Garden City. All you have to do is come here, explore, find out what you want to do and what your future is going to be.